What's up guys, Joe Eves here with another great tutorial, how to install WordPress on your hosting. In this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your hosting platform so that you can get started building an awesome website. So let's get going. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is go ahead and install WordPress. So right now I have a domain, joeeves.com. And as you can see, I don't have anything really on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually install WordPress. Now there's a few different ways that you can install WordPress. The easiest and fastest way that I've found to do it is through cpanel. So if your hosting company provides a cpanel, that's what I recommend you do. And I use HostGator. So anybody that is familiar with HostGator, they have a cpanel. So what you'll do is you'll do your domain and then a /cpanel, and it will reload to the control panel. Then you put in your username and your password, and it's going to redirect you to the control panel or cpanel. So from here I can actually install WordPress very, very easily. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to scroll down until I find something under software called Quick Install. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with your control panel, but all we're focusing on right now is installing WordPress onto the website. So in order to do that, I'm going to click Quick Install. And Quick Install lets you install all different types of software. For example, you can install WordPress, Drupal, a WordPress service, Joomla, Magento, Concrete 5. There's all different types of software that you can install. We're obviously going to install WordPress. So the easiest way to do that is to click on Install WordPress. And it has all of this stuff. Go ahead and click Install WordPress for free, and it's going to ask you for the URL. If you click this little down triangle, it'll have the domain. This is the path. If you have multiple areas on your website that you want to install different WordPress sites, you can do that. If you have like a development server or something like that, you could do that. Then you're going to go ahead and put your admin email, blog title. I've already had this stuff in here. And then under the admin user, I always just do admin, but you can do whatever you want. And so you fill this information out and then click Install WordPress. Now it's going to say we're setting WordPress up for you. Do you want help with a theme or anything like that? I'm going to just hit no thanks, I'm a web designer. And now it says something went wrong, so we need to view the details. Failure, there was an error in installation. Okay, so the issue that we're running into, and you won't typically run into this, is I had WordPress on here before, so it's saying that there's some things on here that it already has, and it can't rewrite if it's on there. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off right here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and try it again. So install WordPress, fill all this stuff out again. Okay, all that's in there. We'll go ahead and hit OK. Nope, I'm a designer. It's going to run through, and if there's an issue, it will give me an issue again, and you can click View Details, and the install is complete. So the issue was there was a couple files on the server that I needed to have off. Now you can click View Credentials. So now I can go here, and here is my username and password. So I'm going to click right onto here, and now you'll need to copy this as well. And go ahead and log in, and now you can see I have WordPress installed. So WordPress is now installed on this site. In the next few videos, we'll go ahead and talk about how to set up the Enfold theme, how to set up your website to where that you can start to generate leads or to do whatever it is that you're wanting to do.